Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. This is also a general video where the Honorable Supreme Court of India Registry, they have made a public alert in the interest of the public that a fake site is created in the name of Honorable Supreme Court of India. So nobody is left from the so-called act of phishing or the malicious acts by the so-called cyber criminals. You all know cyber crime, all these things. So here the important point is a fake website has been opened in the name of Supreme Court of India. Normally, if you want to see any judgment, you won't get any date of adjournment in the Supreme Court of India, you will type www.sci.gov.in. But another fake site has come. So when the Supreme Court of India logo is visible, normally you tend to go to that and type the matter. So Supreme Court Registry clearly advises that don't open the link. Don't click on the link. Whenever you see any site, don't click on the link. And don't share the link before verifying the authenticity. Otherwise, you will be subjected to the act of phishing. So somebody may ask in the name of Supreme Court staff or for revealing your personal identity or your OTP number. If you give OTP number, finish. Very recently, one of my cousins, he has just tapped a new app, and that app asked for his OTP. He has given the OTP, as a result of which he lost within 2 minutes, I think 84,000 rupees. Of course, we have reported the matter to the Cyber Crime Police Station, and since it is national level, they are trying to get the matter. And secondly, there are so many websites which are fake websites. We know, as retired police officers, we know that the people operating between the borders of Bangladesh and India, they are operating these websites, and you lose money if you do not verify the authenticity. The act of phishing, which is an offence punishable under the Information Technology Act. The act of phishing, you may be knowing. So normally, they will call you in the name of the Supreme Court of India. They will ask your credentials. They say that they wanted to check up whether you are a bona fide advocate or not. What is your email and what is your OTP? What are your credentials like bank accounts and other things? And if you give them, definitely on the next day itself, there will be zero amount in your bank balance. This is the act of phishing. Of course, it has gone to the stage of wishing also, where they will actually mimic the voice of certain persons, and by which you are definitely you will be tending to give the password. This is what is called wishing. Wishing, I will give an example what is wishing. Suppose we are having add-on cards to my granddaughter. I give my card, add-on card. That means whatever amount is there in my card, she can spend with the add-on card. But normally, we'll be telling them don't reveal the password or the so-called PIN number or something like that to anybody, even though they ask. So my daughter-in-law is studying B.Tech. She is very well aware about all these things, and it so happened that on one day, she received a phone call from the State Bank of Hyderabad. State Bank of Hyderabad, they said, yes, this is the account of Mr. So-and-so Sai Babu, and you are having the add-on card, you have to tell the OTP. Then she said, no, I am not giving my OTP. My grandpa told me not to divulge the information of personal information number. Maybe even the banks also, they are not supposed to ask. All these things she has been telling. But they said, what this, dear? Your grandpa is there. Just talk to him. Then started the grandpa. So my voice is mimicry person. He has mimicked my voice and said, so honey, please give the OTP, because the bank people, they wanted to verify my account balance and other things. Then Believing the same, she has given the OTP. Finish. Her amount, luckily, it is only small amount, it has gone. So this is the act of phishing. So don't be a prey, P-R-E-Y, prey to these things. Anyway, please remember that a fake website for the Supreme Court is also created, definitely for the phishing attacks. So don't click on the links or share them without verifying the authority. Normally, Supreme Court does not seek any personal information. Supreme Court does not seek any confidential information. So please remember, the websites, like the fake websites, they are dealing with money laundering. Please remember, and they are soliciting the personal information. In case you become a victim, immediately change the passwords of all your accounts and then approach the cyber crime portal. I have forgotten the number. Very recently we have approached them also. So, right. So this, please be alert that is a fake website in the name of the Supreme Court. Thank you.